everybody, Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. I am here with a new Poshmark update for what sold from May 20th to May 27th, 2018. Come on, I'll show you what sold. I'm going to get to the items and show you pictures of them and all the prices. Just remember, a lot of people ask what I paid for each item. I acquire all of my clothing items anywhere from 50 cents to $3. Number one on the list for this week is a torrid tankini top to wear with the choice of any bottom. It is size 1X. It sold for $29. My Poshmark fee was $5.80. I offered them a shipping discount of $1.50 and my earnings were $21.70. It sold on May 20th, 2018. Our second item sold on May 22nd, 2018. It is a Victoria's Secret long sleeve button pajama top. It sold for $7. My Poshmark fee was $2.95. I offered them a shipping discount of $1.50 and my earnings was $2.55. Number three sold on May 22nd, 2018. It is a new without tags ruby red earrings. They're just gorgeous. We put the size as any size. It sold for $10. My Poshmark fee was $2.95, which made my earnings $7.05. The fourth item that we sold this week was sold on May 24th, 2018. It is a Justice tunic top. If you know anything about Justice, it's kind of a preteen store. It's a dress star power, size 12 for girls. We sold it for $8. The Poshmark fee was $2.95. I offered them a shipping discount of $1.50 and my earnings were $3.55. Number five sold on May 24th, 2018. They are a Born leather size 8 clogs with a non-skid sole. Very, very cute. They sold for $24 with a Poshmark fee of $4.80, which made my earnings a whopping $19.20. On May 24th, 2018, we sold number 6, which is a classic Forever 21 mini skirt for a simple chic look. Very, very cute. Size small. Our price was $9. The Poshmark fee was $2.95 and the shipping discount I offered them was $1.50, which made my earnings $4.55. Number 7 sold on May 24th, 2018. It is a comfortable Adidas shirt for the relaxed feel. Size large. It sold for $10. My Poshmark fee was $2.95, which made my earnings $7.05 for just a t-shirt. Awesome. Number 8 happens to be a Kappa Kappa Tau t-shirt for that movie buff, size medium. It sold on May 25th, 2018. For a price of $11, Poshmark fee is $2.95. I offered them a shipping discount of $1.50, and my earnings were $6.55. Not too shabby. This is number 9. Not too many more that I sold this week, but this happens to be a unique loft top. It goes great with any jeans or shorts. It's size small. It sold on May 25th, 2018, and it sold for the price of $9 with a Poshmark fee of $2.95, shipping discount of $1.50, which made my earnings $4.55. Number 10 this week happens to be a reversible Cougars basketball sleeveless jersey. Number 45, size extra large. It sold on May 25th, 2018 for the price of $9 with a Poshmark fee of $2.95. I offered them a shipping discount of $1.50 and my earnings were again $4.55. This is number 11 on my list. It sold on May 26, 2018. It is a very cute shimmering Style & Company dress with a feminine flair, size medium. It sold for the price of $12 with my Poshmark fee being $2.95. I offered them a shipping discount of $1.50 and still made $7.55. Number 12, last but not least, sold on May 26, 2018. It is a very, very cute Rue 21 women's top, Western theme, black and white, size extra large. I contemplated keeping this one for myself because it was so cute. It's sold for the price of $7 with a Poshmark fee of $2.95. I offered them a shipping discount of $1.50 and my earnings were $2.55. This is only my 4th week selling on Posh, and I feel like I'm doing really, really well. So the numbers are that I sold 12 items this week for a total of $91.40. So you can definitely make a good profit. And remember, I'm only spending 50 cents to $3 on each one of these items. So my cost to purchase is not very high. So again, $91.40 this week on Poshmark. I hope you'd enjoyed my Poshmark update this week, and remember, in the end, Jesus wins. If you are looking for resources to help you resell, just click the eBay link below to purchase my Hooked on Pickin Reseller program, which I created from my 10 years of experience reselling. It has checklist cards for Amazon, eBay, and Goodwill. The Goodwill card has over 80 different tips, items, and strategies listed by department. The eBay card has a 6-step guide for reselling, and the Amazon card has a 6-step guide for reselling. They are fully laminated so they can easily go anywhere without being ruined. These are a great resource to buy. Just click below. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.